So we left off last
guys.
time.
Wait, Jay, come over here. Guys, just a daily reminder that this game can and will kill you in real life. Dude, 100% this girl knows who we are. She won't stop staring at us.
No, she has a gun, dude. Run!
Oh, shit, she got a gun!
Seriously, what?
Oh, she got a golden gun. She got a skin on that bitch.
Oh, okay, well, whatever. Let's just go. Let's just
into
go.
herself. Oh, Cool Beans came back with a whole new look.
What?
Jake, do
What'd she
not
look
look
like?
behind you. The real spook is there. Come on, man. You got that thing out. Yeah, get the hell out of here. She's
right.
like waiting
No,
for us. Like, no. Maybe she's just part of the game.
I was thinking that just now. Oh, it just went through you.
Man, those bean burritos went right through me. His name's Cool Beans. Sleep City or whatever. I hate you. You set me up for that.
I actually forgot about that, dude.
Dude, seriously, how come you don't get scared from those?
Because I'm not a little bitch. All right, hold on. All right, no, let's go the opposite way,
That's
dude.
like, no, dude, I don't want to hear that sound again. Wait, let me mute my volume, like, all right.
All right, yeah, I'll protect you, dude. Don't worry. Albert's too much of a bitch to go through this thing without his volume down.
Shut up!
Oh, I have hiccups.
Oh,
You coming?
Albert's a little bitch. Oh, I got hiccups. Oh, no. Hiccups. We're going to have to go through so many things if we did that.
Yeah, this way, dude.
Dude, no, that's the exit, dude. I thought we were going to play this game longer.
It was too scary.
Oh, God. Oh, dude, I remember this movie when they're in the bathroom. Man, that was gay as hell. Two guys in the bathroom together. Oh! Really? Nothing? Really?
No, your screams notify me of the thing.
What? Hey, he kind of looks like a piggy, and this is like his little trough. What's he scared of? What's that SpongeBob one where like, are you tough enough? And like, I ate a whole bowl of nails for breakfast without any milk.
Oh,
That one was good. Oh, jeez. All right, hey, how's it hanging, dumbass? Oh God!
That one.
Whoa! I thought
Whoever Toyota this is, you left your lights on.
Dude, I legit thought that was someone like outside my house honking.
It's on his dick, boy. It's on his dick.
Oh,
I'm on his head.
Man, that boy took you back to his crib. He's probably gonna get us one last time. Be like, oh, there's a little piglet pepperoni is right behind here. All right, where you at? Why?
Whoa, you could go in here.
Hey!
How do you go in there?
Oh, wow, I got flung!
Dude, we never really stopped and listened to what this guy was saying.
Wait for me.
Dude, after listening to this guy for a little bit, he actually just trying to sell insurance.
So he's just trying to sell insurance?
Yeah, that's all he's doing, dude. American Horror Story is this way, dude. Come on. Thanks for that, dude. I needed that.
It's a roller coaster.
This is a roller coaster.
Get in. POV on.
This is Back to the Future.
Ah, god damn it, I hate this movie.
I hate it too.
Just you wait till the gore scenes come up. I've seen this movie before. Alright, for all those epileptic people out there, you guys can eat shit.
This is definitely copyrighted, dude.
This is the worst POV video I've ever seen.
I'm going back to the park.
I'm going back to the future. XD. It says for me, wait, where do we gotta go? North.
B.
B is the thing we just did. Jackass.
No.
Man, I'm editing this and like, this reminds me of when my parents would fight at the amusement park and it's really bringing the mood down. Sorry if I brought any flashbacks onto anyone. 100% we played this. It had the pig people in it, dude. Why aren't you going in? You not confident?
Dude,
oh, shit! No!
I was like, did he
I did the log line?
Oh yeah, I'm already at the front, dog. Wow, dude, we're tight on time. Can you get in the right line next time?
Shut up, dude. It's like making me walk slower now. Dude, it's literally making me walk slower. I didn't pay good money for this poor people shit. Yeah, we played this. 100% we played this. Oh, we haven't played this.
Yeah, you need to apologize.
Man, I'm so sorry.
Jeez, don't. Okay, but hold on. What's going on with this guy? What are they cooking?
This is like one of those POV videos. Man, someone censor this out.
Oh, I can't see. Can you guide me?
Wait. All right, what's up? Well, I can't see anything. Uh-oh.
Me neither.
Oh! Ow! I hit my ankle.
Where'd you go?
Just give me a second. You're looking right at me. You're being weird. Dude, I like kicked and I hit like my shin. All right,
Oh
what's
my
this?
gosh.
Exit. Good, it's already over.
Oh, well, there's a piggy, so you were right about that.
Oh, that was too loud. That was too loud. They shouldn't have had it that loud. I'm lowering my volume. What's this in the mirror? I'm ugly. Where can I get me some dates like this?
With O.J. Simpson?
Oh my god, you can't say that. Man, where can I get me a thickie like this? Where can I get me a thick bitch? Oh,
I can't
too
see
loud.
it.
Really? Oh yeah, guys,
Yeah.
by the way, if you haven't suffered from epileptic fit yet, ow, this is actually hurting my eyes. Let's get out of here for the viewers.
All right, thank you. God. What?
Hi.
I remember that guy from the show.
I remember that guy from my 5th birthday party. My life's been hell ever since.
A thick bitch right
Man,
here.
this looks like the girls from that one salon game.
Yeah.
Hi. Where can I get me a thickie like this? Oh, what was that? Did you hear that?
Got me.
Yeah.
I was trying to look around and it came.
I know.
Wait.
Yeah. I was trying to sneak a peek, but damn.
Yeah, I
This
did.
game's strict.
Me, whenever I have to wake up for school in the morning, dog.
Yeah, I dropped out of school. I would have known.
It hurts my eyes, dude. What's going?
It's like what
It's
we
like
did to
thick-
people at Adopt and Raise a Cute Kid. Like, oh, what do we have here, Carver? Looks like that is illegal, and I'm going to kill you, Carver. I hate you.
It's true. Yeah, I can't. Parental discretion is advised.
Wait, dude, text your mom if you can get up in this bitch.
That's a good idea.
Wait, cookies. Are you 13 or older? No, I am spooked. I'm one of them thick girls they didn't tell you about.
Here, actually, here's a good question. If you could choose a movie this thing could be based off of, like have its own exhibit, what movie would it be?
Wait, no, we gotta think about this first. The VeggieTales movie.
Oh. But maybe the original.
I'd say
Wouldn't that be?
probably the first or second VeggieTales movie.
Oh my god.
If they don't add that by next week, I'm leaving a sweaty dislike on this one. Is that really all this is gonna be? Yeah, I'm turning my volume to the max so I can at least get spooked once.
He got a bike riding accident, dude. There's the bike. You know, he needs to wear his helmet next time.
Dumbass.
Dumbass, yeah.
Oh, someone's gonna pop out of here. Nope, nothing
Dude,
at all.
this is-
We want VeggieTales.
This
That right there should have been a vegetable.
is Dude, it's Thanksgiving again at my
Oh
house.
no, it's the Ferguson riots.
Stop saying that. That's offensive.
Hey man, I wanted VeggieTales. Oh, dude, this is the worst one yet. Why'd you say this one's good? Hey, get out of my way. This one's pushing me.
King of the castle.
Okay, dude, this game closes soon. This is what we're doing. Harry Potter. Oh my god. Oh, I hate you. This game sucks. Oh my god, I keep forgetting. Warning, you will die. All right, cool. They should make a remix of this song that goes, Mama, I want milky, milky, Mama, me milky.
Okay, you can go that. Oh, wait.
God damn it! It had the loud scream. You didn't even tell me about it. You knew. I'm muting this stupid game, dude. I literally have a headache now from that.
Wait, you're already up there.
I'm all the way up. Wait, who's that? Imposter!
Wait. Really? Who is that?
I don't know.
We're the only people here.
All I gotta say was that girl was thick.
Who was that?
I think that was like me. Like I'm just mentally. I don't know, man. All I can say was that girl was kind of thick.
So this is a roller coaster, but apparently it's a Simpsons roller coaster. So.
Oh wait, so this is just gonna be like another one of those, like the last one.
No. It's a Halloween.
Oh,
It's a Halloween
it's
coaster.
spooky. This is gonna be scary. Oh, I hope this kills me.
All right,
I
here, I'll call
genuinely
it back.
hope I die from this, Jake. Where's my roller coaster? Who's this girl? Really?
Oh, no,
Nobody,
she's dumb.
not one person invited you. Dude, this girl's dumb. I could just feel it. No, she's gonna take
Dude,
up the first line, the first row. Fucking freckled face. Fuck.
Oh my god. Freckled face. Fuck. Ride!
No, she's trying to. No, you stupid! I am so pissed off right now.
Oh, dude, it's okay.
Oh, I can get it. I can get it. Ha ha ha! Loser. Yeah, her POV is the back of my head.
Oh wait.
When does the roller coaster derail and kills all of us.
Kill us all, yeah. Suck, dude. Let's just crack jokes when we're on
They
this,
said
dude.
the ride time is like 2 minutes. We're really gonna deal with
Yeah.
like another minute of this.
Oh
And
my
his music's
gosh.
copyrighted, so I have to mute this. And that's just.
I'm...
I didn't even get to hear like wind or anything. It's just silence.
Nope.
That was
Oh
the
my
end. Look,
gosh.
how'd she get there so quick?
She's... Oh, I don't think she's on the ride at all.
She just got launched off. look, she's gonna go again. She got launched off. Yeah, have fun with that one. How do I get out of here? Oh,
You know, I
over
wonder
there?
actually... Yeah, it's over here, dog.
Alright. Oh, no, I don't want to go. I don't want to. Jake, I really didn't want to go.
Nothing's happening,
I like
dude.
him. I'm breaking.
Yeah, you're stupid.
I literally,
You're so
the back of
stupid.
my head hurts like a lot from that. I'm not even kidding, because like the muscles like tense up. Like, man, you know I have problems with that. Off the record, that really wasn't cool, homie. Man, yeah, if only there was some sort of light source where I could read this warning. Oh no, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. If there's a lot of noise here, I'm prepared. I'm prepared for it. I'm prepared for it. Okay, there's no loud noise. Loud noise. Okay, hey, loud noise. Hey, loud noise makers. Loud. Oh shit! I hate that.
Yeah, that's the one you don't like.
I hate all of them. Wait, an interactive shooting attraction. Dude, we can shoot in this one.
Away.
Let me in. Let me in. Dude, it legit just won't let me in. I'm being treated like a poor person. I didn't pay 90 Robux of your money to be treated like this. I don't want your insurance. God. All right, dude, let's go. Wait for me. Oh, yeah, no, you go first.
Standard room free premier suites are 100 Robux. Dude, this is...
I gotta pay another $100 of your money for this.
How do you spell your name again?
Harry Pizza 2. You write the Harry, you write the pizza, you write the